you made me moan when you caused me to leave, child, my happy home. But someday, baby, you ain't worry my life anymore.
Krigsman, stridsvagn, död, stridsberedskap, stridsmedel.
Den skulle bli den bedste sammen i deres liv.
Stridsspray.
Turn around. Every now and then I feel a little bit lonely and you're never coming round. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Turn around. Every now and then I feel a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eye. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you more tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you'd only
Det kan ikke jeg heller.
Bedstefar!
Never
Det kan ikke jeg heller.
Bang, 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 bang! Vamonos, vamonos!
Ja, jag hatar fisk och jag hatar fisk. Ja, fisk är det värsta som jag vet. Jag hatar abborre, jag hatar rödspetta och jag var illa utav blodad lax. Och jag hatar fisk, verkligen fisk. Det är det äckligaste som jag vet. Jag hatar sjötunga, jag hatar gös och spigg och jag tål inte braxen och sill. Det är därför som jag har fobi för att bada i insjöar. För jag får för mig att jag badar i en stor och kall fisksoppa.
It's a beautiful day. People on the street when the sun comes out. It's a beautiful day. Color to the color, can't wait till the sun goes down.
Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig ah.
If you want my future, forget my past.
If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together with
And I don't wanna tickle. I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. And I don't wanna die. Just wanna ride on my motorcycle.
I'm walking down the street, my feet feel like dancing. The people that I meet are smiling, romancing. It's something in the air that makes it decent, enchanting.
Idén är fortfarande andra plats och Lina Pettersson på en tredje i damklass.
Come on now, what do you say? Girl, I can hardly wait to get a little mud on the tires. 'Cause it's a good night to be out there soaking up the moonlight.
Rob! put their bird in it, have a pee, cap it off, and once it's full, they just drill the fucking thing out in the highway.
Även chansning